In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Waterc Basic Round Fringe 2 in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the brush tool by pressing B. Open the Brush Presets docker, search for Waterc Basic Round Fringe 2, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor strokes with natural fringe edges. Increase the pressure to add stronger color and more visible edge details. Apply multiple strokes to gradually build up the watercolor effect and texture. Use the color picker by holding Control to sample nearby colors and continue painting for smoother color transitions. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want lighter and softer watercolor effects. Waterc Basic Round Fringe 2 is perfect when you want watercolor strokes with textured edges and natural color variations. It is great for creating soft blends while adding unique brush details to your artwork. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, textured backgrounds, landscapes, foliage, and adding natural fringe effects to painted areas. And that's how to use Waterc Basic Round Fringe 2 in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.